Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So first of all, go ahead to the settings. Scroll a little bit down to the messages. Find apps and then just type messages. Right? And make sure that your iMessage is turned on. Okay? If you haven't turned it on, that will prevent you from receiving verification codes. Right? Make sure also to allow notifications. Okay, secondly, what you're gonna do, swipe down to your control center and make sure that you turn off the do not disturb mode in order to receive a notification instantly if WhatsApp send a code. Okay, now what you're gonna do, go back, right? I'm gonna type locked. Let me go back right here to the settings, main settings, type locked contact. All right, go ahead right here and make sure that you didn't block a weird number. Sometimes when they send you a verification code, and the number will be unique in a way, so you need actually to turn off or unblock the numbers that are unique in order to receive the notifications. That should fix your problem. Let's pin on the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.